Hi, so in my last video I discussed conditional formatting, and conditional formatting is basically used to format the sheet on the basis of different conditions applied. And this time I'm going to, last time I discussed how to change the color of the character or change the color of the cell on the basis of the given condition. And this time I'm going to apply a custom formula. Means I'm going to apply a formula, and on the basis of that formula cells are impacted. So what I'm going to do here, I have a sheet where, so this is my sheet, and this sheet is having the list of the students and name of the defaulters, and the defaulter column says whether he is defaulter or not. So the student having no in the column D is not the defaulter, otherwise the student who is having yes is the defaulter. So what I want to strike off the names of those students who are not the defaulter. Okay, so I'll apply the custom formula here. So how to apply this? Let's move to the column number or column B. First we click on the format, and from here I'll click on conditional formatting, and from conditional formatting what I want to select the entire range B column to B41, and I do not want any color right now, none. And here I'm going to choose the custom formula is, and the custom formula I am going to take is equal to dollar D 2 is equal to no. And when the cell is having no, column B corresponding to the value no should turn to red, and the name should be strike through. So name should be strike through means I'm going to use this option strike through. Okay, what I am going to do here, I am just giving a strike through here and converting the name into say blue. So see here, as soon as I applied this uh, conditional custom formula, the list is impacted, and all the names who are not the defaulters turn to blue, and their names are struck off. Means a horizontal line passes through the name. So this way we can apply this condition formatting here. And now next formula is what I want to insert checkbox. Say checkbox. Checkbox, and its color is green. Okay, and so here I am taking the checkboxes. Go to insert and click on checkboxes. What I want, when I click on the checkbox, the value in cell in column C should turn to red. Means when I click this, as soon as I click this, column C should be impacted, and this time I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm again going to give a conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, selecting the range, it should turn to red, and C2, C41, and the custom formula is equal to dollar E2, then it should turn to, the cell should turn to red, and it should turn to white only. So when I say done, and when I click on the checkbox, see here, names, class names turn to red. So this way we can apply the custom formula. Hope you liked it, and if you like, kindly share and subscribe with your friends, and you too apply in your day-to-day task. Conditional formatting is very important formula for the exam like Google Certified Educator Level 2. Fine. So if you like the video, kindly share and subscribe, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, kindly subscribe it and share this video with your friends and higher ups. So we'll meet in the next video with some other scenario and command. Bye bye.